Summer is watermelon season, and we all love that luscious red, ruby red interior. But then we're left with a watermelon rind. What to do with it? Well, actually, my chickens love it. But today we're going to try something different. We're going to do a dehydrating recipe and make some watermelon rind candy. Now this recipe is called the Chewy Watermelon Rind Candy, and it's by BJ Metz on allrecipes.com. So the original recipe on All Recipes site said 1 watermelon rind peeled. Well, you can see that's definitely not one. I actually also made another recipe with my rind and gave some to the chickens because they love it. So I don't think my grandkids will eat that much of this. I just wanted to try a little for the recipe. So then it said 4 cups of water, so I'm cutting it in half, and I could probably even cut it in a fourth, but just to be safe, I have 2 cups of water. It says 4 cups of white sugar, and in here I have 2 cups of white sugar. And then it wanted me to add some spearmint leaves and some sweet basil. But you know what? I don't think the grandkids might like that. We're just going to keep it the pure sugar version. Okay, our sugar is dissolved. Now let's put our I left a little of the pink color on them just so they have a little color. But basically you're wanting just the rind, the white part. Now we're going to cook these or 5 minutes a little later. We want to get them a little tender. Be back when we're ready. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's see. I don't know, I'm going to just keep them for a couple more minutes. Just don't seem quite tender to me. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, I think that's better. We're going to stop it. And now we're going to drain it. Just don't splatter any of that hot, sticky syrup on yourself. Okay, oops, still some in here. There we go. Now I'm going to let it drain for a couple minutes. So I had to sneak a piece. Still hot. Taste it before we dehydrate it. Let's see. Chewy. Very sweet. Should be good dehydrator. Okay, they've drained, and I thought I'd dredge them in just a little sugar before I put it on the tray. And I'm using my sheet here because this stuff is sticky and I don't want it to get all over my mesh trays. I'll be back when I got this all done. So I just made about 1 tray worth. We're leaving a lot of space in between, so hopefully they'll dehydrate faster. And now it's time to put them in the dehydrator at 135 degrees. So here's the watermelon rind candy. I probably shouldn't have rolled it in sugar at the end because that kind of melted on top. But you can see it does lift off. Well, let's do a taste test. And yes, I think the grandkids will like it because it's like eating pure sugar. Now, it probably could benefit from some flavoring. But like I said, the grandkids are a little particular, but you might want to add your own extract or herbs to change the flavor. It is just a bit chewy. You know, the watermelon rind is a lot like zucchini, right? It will absorb and become whatever it's put in. So, does this taste like watermelon rind? No, it doesn't. The only thing the watermelon rind gives is a little crunch. But different recipe. You can experiment with different flavors in it, and it can be fun for your kids to make. So, let me know if you've ever tried this or have another great watermelon rind candy recipe. Comment below. As always, please subscribe and share the knowledge. Thank you.